about to go look in Sephora because it's in the cold, and I haven't been in Sephora in like forever, but that could be because I don't wear as much makeup as I used to. They do have fragrances. I think that's what I'm going to look up. Hey ladies, I'm doing well in yourself. Question.
The new fragrance?
Like a really good fragrance that you would suggest.
What kind of like scent profile?
My favorite fragrances are My Way by Giorgio Armani and C by Giorgio Armani. Don't judge me. I like it. I got expensive taste. And you know what scent is trash that everybody is like loving?
Which one?
What's that? Valentina?
That's
that
the
one.
intense.
This one is trash.
But you know what? Wait, which one did you get? You got
the pink one.
The pink.
Are you serious? It ain't gonna give it like. It ain't gonna make it be funky. Let me find out. Oh, this is.
Yeah, the two mixed together, really, really good. Cause actually, I'm not a fan of the C, right?
I like
but
that.
I like the Valentino. But together,
It just smells real
That's
muted
crazy.
to me.
I love
What do you
spicy
think
food.
goes well with this one?
the intense.
It smells good. That's all I can tell you. I get so many compliments on that one. I'm super excited. I just walked into Sephora and I was looking at the perfumes. A representative said that she's also a YouTuber. It looks as though she does beauty. She's a beautiful young lady, beautiful spirit. She was so sweet and very, very helpful. And I'm going to find mama. She over here doing returns and stuff. Like, come on, sis. How you doing, love? I don't know you, old lady. Mommy, they got crayons. And then they got candles. And they on sale for $4. Not gonna buy nothing else. Not gonna buy another candle because I got a house full of Bath and Body Works candles. And I'm not about to keep buying candles because, child, I have a house full of candles. So I came to this realization that I have done so many videos in this hood. Not that I owe anybody any type of explanation, but I did just want to give y'all a plug. This is a Demodest hoodie from demodest.com, DEMODEST. It is a long hoodie. It goes all the way down. I'm 5'10". It almost touches my knee. They are not form-fitting, light but heavy at the same time, if that makes any sense. I could get away wearing this in the spring or the fall, but also during the winter under a jacket. It doesn't feel too clingy and too hot. Like, I love this sweater. I need to go get some more colors, but I just got some inventory. I want to show you guys what I plan on adding to my stuff. Let's get into it. These frosted mugs that come with the bamboo top and the silicone stopper. We have the clear version. I am excited. So those are the new items that I'll be adding to my store. What do you think I should do? Should I just do sublimation or should I also do vinyl, UV-DTF? I don't know. I'm excited. I know what I have in mind, but I also want to hear from you guys what you think that I should do, as well as the things that you all are interested in buying or seeing me create. Today was a day, but it was fun.